friends, welcome to Java Geeks. In the coding interview session, I discuss about these 5 questions. So these are all the more questions in interviews. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first one, so we need to write a Java program to count the occurrence of each character in a given string. They will give you a string, and we need to find the each character how many times it is occur. Okay. The second one, find all the duplicate elements from a given string. So in this string, how many duplicate elements are there? We need to find that one. And find a specific characters, how many times it occurs in a given string. So we need to find like a specific character, like E they will give. So we need to find how many times that will occur. Yes, how many times that will like that. Okay. Find first non-repeating element from a given string. So we need a non-repeating element, like first non-repeating element in the given string. We need to find that one. Okay, so the first one, like how many times each character occurs. So this thing we need to find in the Java 7 as well. 4 we will write in a Java 8, and this one will write in Java 7. Okay, let's get into the video. So first one, like what is a Java program to count the occurrence of each character in a given string. Yeah, we need to convert this into a array list. How we can do? Arrays dot as list, and we need to split this into element, I mean each character wise. So that's why I use like string dot. Then we need to stream it. Then only we'll do the operations and functional operations. Okay. Then what we need to, first we need to collect it. How we can do it? Collectors dot, yeah, grouping by. We need to group these elements based on the element function dot identity. So what it will do? It will identify each character as one variable. Okay. Then we need to count it. How we can do? Collectors dot count. Okay. So then we need to retrieve it and then we'll stream it. So here what we need to do? We need to display that information, right? So what we can use the for each. Then we need to print this element. Start get, yeah, key get value. So what we are doing here, we just converting into array list and stream it, and then we are grouping by based on the identity, and we are finding the how many occurrences, and we are retrieving it and streaming it, and we are displaying it. Let's see what's the output. Okay, see here, A how many times? 2. S 1 time. E 3 times. V 2 times. G 1 time. I 1 time. Okay. Yeah. The second one, find all duplicate elements from a given string. What we can do? We need to convert this into a list. How we can? str dot split. Okay. Then we need to stream it. Then we need to collect it based on collectors dot grouping by functional dot identity from collectors dot counting. Yes, and entry set, stream it, and then we need to find the duplicate. How we can find? So if an element will occur more than once, then that is a duplicate, right? So I just put a condition here. If x dot value in the sense this one, like if it is more than one, that is a duplicate element. For those kind of elements, I'm just printing here. I just want only an element. Okay, let's see the output. A, E, V. Did you see here? A how many times? 2 times. E 3 times. V 2 times. Is that correct? Yeah. So find the specific character, how many times it occurs. What we can do here? same thing, arrays dot as list string dot split, we are splitting that, and we just stream it, then we just collect this based on identity, and same thing, that's why I just put it. Okay, then entry set string. Okay, so they will specific character, how many times it occur. What we can do, we just filter it. What they are asking, specific character in the sense key. Okay, so they will give like a, how many times it occurs. So that one we need to, what we can, we just do the for loop, and what we need to print, correct, get value, because a how many times occur, that is what we need to find, right? Let's see the output. Did you see how many times a occur? 2 times. A 2 times. Okay, like the fourth one, same thing, arrays dot as list, yeah, string dot split, do it. Okay, dot string dot collectors dot grouping by functional, function dot identity, and collectors dot count. Okay, so can you observe this, what they are asking, first non-repeating element. Okay, so you people know, right, how hash map will store the data? Does it maintain any order? No, right? So hash map will not maintain the order. Whatever we are doing, this will do it in the map object. So internally it will use hash map. Okay, hash map will not maintain the order. So we cannot predict the orders, like whatever it is inserting into a map object, we cannot predict. So which one we can trust on this scenario? Yes, linked hash map. How we can do? We can do the linked hash map is of hash map. So linked hash map will maintains the order. Okay, then we are retrieving the map object and we are just string element. How we can? Now repeating in the sense, we need to find in the, it should not be a duplicate. We can not get value, then yeah, so equal to 1 means it will occur only one time, it is not duplicate element. So first one we can do, find first, and we need to get that element, right? I'm just using get, and here okay, okay, so need to find the is okay, so we'll just print that. What is the first non-repeating element? I. So I is the first one, right? I love Java gigs. I repeat only one time. So last one, Java program to count the occurrence of each character in a given string. In Java 7 we need to write. How we can do it in Java 7? Yeah, first we need to split this into character array. Character array. equal to, yeah, string dot to character. Okay, then we need to take a map object, character comma, sorry, invitation. Okay, what is my map object? Should be called new hash map. Okay, we need to loop this, and yeah, while inserting into a map object, we need to find out whether it's a duplicate. If it is a duplicate, we need to insert into the same map get object. Let's see how we can do. Contains key, it contains that specific key, then it's a character, see, and how many times it is occur, right? So what we can do, get, sorry, not count, count dot get, yeah, right, plus 1. So we just finding that character. If it is repeating, then every time we are adding into 1. Okay, else what we can do, we can do the 1. Okay, so if it is non-repeating, then we just adding element into 1. Okay, so we can loop it, or we can loop the map object, map dot entry, it's an entry, count dot entry set. Okay, so how to print it, entry get key, entry dot get value. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, we'll put this divider, oh sorry, see the same, right? A 2 times S 1 time E. Okay, so that is this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please support this channel. Thank you very much.